A list in Shplait is written with square brackets and the elements of the list separated by commas. So 1, 2, 3 plus 4, that gives me the list 1, 2, 7. You can see its type is list of int. As you might guess from that notation, I can also have lists of other kinds of things, like a string. I can have a list of string, apple and banana. I cannot put apple together with the number 2 because then there's no list of type to go with it. So in other words, lists are uniform. They always have the same thing inside of them. If I have two lists that I want to put together, then I can do that with the append function. So append takes two lists of the same sort of list and puts them all together. If I have just one thing that I want to put on the front of a list, then I can use cons to do that. So as we go, it's going to be easy to confuse append and cons at first, but just remember append takes two lists, and you can see that in its type. It takes a list of, well, some type that we get to pick later. Could be number, could be string, and another list of the same type, and it gives me back a list of those things. So take two lists, get a list back. Whereas cons takes a thing and a list of those kinds of things and gives me back a list. That is, takes an item and a list and puts it together in a list. So what is the point of cons, given that append seems so much more useful? Well, any kind of list that we can write with cons and the empty list. So the list 1, 2, 3, we could have written as cons 1, cons 2, cons 3, and then the empty list at the end. So we're going to see more how the empty list and cons are the basic elements of lists, and the square bracket notation for writing bigger lists is just a kind of shorthand or way of printing the results.